Hello, I'm Marshall DeNys. I'm the owner of Marshall Custom Welding. I'm a former student of Okaloosa Tech, and now I'm back as a substitute teacher as well. I'm subbing for Keith Seeley today. I took the welding program back in 2016. I was under the night class, 3/4 time, and Benji Wise was my instructor. Before I got into the class, I had a Harbor Freight welder where I was doing a lot of MIG, and I thought I knew what I was doing, but it wasn't until I got into this class that I realized I didn't really know anything about welding. Benji taught me a lot, and it was eye-opening of how many things there were to know about welding, and it was a shock, and I'm definitely glad I took the class. I was still active duty when I was taking the welding class, and I was getting ready to retire, and I thought I need to get myself a skill, and I made the decision to open my own business for welding. And it was actually very scary to do so, but if I didn't believe in my company, nobody would. What really helped me was I did an internship with another company, and it was a friend of mine. I was going through him for plasma cutting, and I worked with him for 3 months while I was still active duty, and I learned a lot about business for that because we had all kinds of random jobs that we're doing, and it was just being thrown into the fire. So with my company, Marshall Custom Welding, we do a lot of custom jobs. Obviously that's in the name, but we did a big job out at the Gulf Breeze Zoo, making the orangutan enclosure. That was a three-month project. We also did some work out at New York Pizza Districts. We did their stainless work, built a custom table, and their, I guess you call it a sneeze guard. One of the cool things about the company is we don't do the same job over and over again. So we're not out building, we don't build one thing. Like, we're not a trailer company, we're not a picnic table company. We do custom things. And so my goals for the business is to build up the name, build up the customer base, and hire another employee enough so that I can step away and the company will work without me. If you wanted to get into welding, I highly recommend going to Okaloosa Tech and learning the right way. So my instructor, Benji, taught me a lot in this class, and really I think he prepared me for getting out there in the workforce. I don't like that. Let's delete that one.